ProKitchen Printing and Print Preview tutorial. This tutorial will cover the different options of printing and how to preview your prints before you are printing. Once your design is created, you can simply print out floor plans, elevations, and 3D views with the click of a button, or you can use the print preview to see what you're printing. In this section, we're going to show how to print the floor plans without using the print preview button. To print the floor plans, you simply click on the print button. It looks like a printer. What this is going to do is going to print all 5 views of this particular floor plan. In this case, I've created one that's just for countertops, and I have the other 4 views. These views are covered in the default settings, or the display settings in the program. Once you click the print button, all 5 pages will print. This will also print any elevation views that you have set up. In this case, I have 2 elevation views. I have the range wall and the sink wall. These 2 views, as well as these 5 views, will print by clicking on this button. Using the print preview button allows you to preview the prints that you're going to print. This way you will not have to print all 5 views down here. You can print the views that you want to have printed. Once again, you would have created your floor plan views and your elevation views. You can then select the print preview button. This brings up a window that's the print preview window. On this page, you can actually print to scale. You can change the ratio. You can do the entire design, what's displayed. You can print all views, current views, elevation views, plan views, or selected views. If you choose all views, it will print every view you have. Current views is going to print just the view you have up. Plan view will print just the plan view you have up. Elevation views will print the elevations that you have created to this point. On the selected views, you simply click on the select views, click browse, choose the views that you want to show. In this case, I'm going to show view 1, the range wall, and the sink wall. Click OK. You can also change your stamp form. In this case, I can click on my stamp form, change my design setup, my logo, my text, the different text you want on the plan. Text 2, you can change that as well. You can then preview what your text box is going to be by clicking the preview button. To close it, you simply click on the red X. If this is what you want, you click on the OK button. That saves this. You can also click the print stamp form, and what that will do is remove the border around the plans. You also have the ability to change the format of your page by clicking on this button with the 3 little dots. This allows you to change it from portrait to landscape and back and forth, and adjust your margins if needed. Once you have everything set up, you simply click on the OK button, and this will bring up the print preview. In this case here, you can see that I have my print to one side. We now have a mover. You can click on the mover and move your design to the center or wherever you want. You can also change each page's ratio. So if I want to change this ratio back and forth, I can change it by using my arrows here. You can do it to full inches or to fractions, depending on which arrows you use. Page 1 can be different than page 2. I can slide this down here. There's my page 2. Again, I can use my mover. I can change the ratio of this page to be a different page as the other one. And again, I can go to page 3, use my mover, move it over. This is exactly what is going to print. Now once you have these set up, you can simply click on the print button here, and this will print exactly as you see them here. Once the printing is complete, simply close this page by clicking on the red X. In this next section, we're going to show how to print in 3D. To print in 3D, you simply have to click on the 3D button, which will create your 3D drawings. You can also click on the isometric view if you want the black and white 3Ds. Once your 3D is showing, to print in 3D, you simply click on the print icon. This will now print exactly what you have shown. If you want to do a different print, you can simply turn your design by using your right mouse button, get the desired picture you want, click on the print button again, and this will again print exactly what you have. This works the same way in the isometric views as well. In this next section, we're going to be printing reports. To print a report, you must have your global specifications set up. To do this, you simply click on the Global Specifications button, set your global specifications, make sure everything here is selected in your manufacturer's door styles, finishes, species, everything they have selected here. Once this is selected, you can close this window by clicking the red X, the X here. You can now create the report. In this case, I'm going to create a customer report. This now brings up your customer report page. Click on the cabinetry. This is some information I have preset into the design. Let's say this is what we're going with. I can click on the View Report. It's going to prepare the report. It gives you the different pages of your report here. You can flip through your different pages and make sure everything is correct. As you can see in here, it gives me my complete breakdown. Now there's two things you can do here. You can either click on the Save button to save this report to a JPEG, or you can click on the Print button. If you click on the Print button, this will print this exact report out. The manufacturer report works the same way. Once this report is printed, you can simply click on the red X to close this report and take you back to your main screen. As you can see, printing is very simple in the ProKitchen program. For more information about ProKitchen, call one of our account managers at 617-868-5151 extension 1. They'll be more than happy to help you with printing or to walk you through any other thing in ProKitchen. Thank you.